Hello students, welcome to video teaching. It's biology for class 9. In biology we are reading about animals tissue. In last online class I explained connective tissue, its general structure, function and different types. In this video I will explain areolar connective tissue. Okay, I will explain the structure, occurrence and function of areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue, as it is clear from name, it has large intercellular spaces filled with matrix. The matrix in this type of tissue is transparent and gelatinous, right? The matrix of connective tissue made by produced by secreted by the cells. Okay, areolar connective tissue consisting of three types of cells: fibrocytes, histiocytes and mast cells. These three types of cells and two types of fibers, say white fibers and yellow fibers, and spaces filled by matrix constitute areolar connective tissue. Once again, areolar connective tissue consists of three kinds of cells: fibrocyte cells, histiocyte cells, histiocytes are also called macrophages, and mast cells. Beside these three kinds of cells, the tissue contains two types of fibers: white fibers as well as yellow fiber, yellow elastic fiber is present in this type of tissue. Right? Large intercellular spaces are there. Large intercellular spaces are present in areolar connective tissue. These spaces are called areoles, and the areoles are filled with matrix. The matrix in this kind of tissue is transparent and gelatinous. Well, in general, the matrix of connective tissue produced by the constituent cells, secreted by constituent cells. Okay. Next, where do we find this tissue? Okay. Where are these tissue presents? Right. Areolar connective tissue present. Areolar connective tissue is present. Okay. As binding tissue between two bones. Between two bones. Right. The two bones are connected with areolar connective tissue called ligaments. So ligaments made by areolar type of connective tissue. Well, also this type of tissue present at the junction of muscles to bone, right? Where muscles combines to bones, there also areolar connective tissue is present. Okay. It is also present binding skin muscles to skin. Areolar connective tissue present as binding tissue. It acts as binding tissue. It binds two bones together. The structure binding two bones together called ligament. It is made by areolar connective tissue. Also tendons which connect muscles to bones made by areolar connective tissue. This tissue also joins muscles to our skin, right? This kind of tissue also acts as packaging tissue. right? Used in filling of free spaces, right, in animal's body. Well, these tissue are present as packaging tissue around the blood vessels. I hope you have understood areolar connective tissue, right? The main points I would like to repeat once again. Areolar connective tissue made by three kinds of cells. The cells are fibrocytes, histiocytes, histiocytes also called macrophages, and mast cells. Fibrocytes, these cells secrete fibers, the two types of fibers, white fibers and yellow fibers, present in the tissue. Histiocytes, which are also called macrophages, are phagocytic in nature. They kills the germs by phagocytosis. These cells save us from infection, right? And mast cells, okay, are the three types of cells. Both the types of fibers are present in this tissue, white fibers and yellow fiber. Okay, this tissue, areolar connective tissue, has large intercellular spaces filled with transparent gelatinous matrix. Okay, this tissue, areolar connective tissue, is present as binding tissue between two bones at joints. At joints, two bones are connected by areolar connective tissue, right? Okay, the tissue form there a specialized structure called ligaments. Again, tendons which binds muscles to bones, also made by areolar connective tissue, right? These also serve as packaging tissue, present around blood vessels as packaging tissue. That's all. More I will discuss in next online class or in next video teaching. That's all.